In a groundbreaking announcement, the biotech company Colossal Biosciences has unveiled 3 wolf pups with a remarkable lineage. These pups possess traits reminiscent of the legendary direwolf, a fearsome predator that roamed North America during the last ice age. Colossal claims to have effectively brought back the direwolf from extinction. News of these pups featured on the cover of has sparked both excitement and controversy. Could this be the dawn of a new era, where humanity reverses the course of extinction? The implications are staggering, but the reality is more nuanced than simply resurrecting a long-gone species. While these pups bear a striking resemblance to dire wolves, scientists are cautious about calling them true resurrections. The reality is that these are genetically modified grey wolves, their DNA tweaked to express traits of their extinct cousins. True de-extinction, cloning an exact replica of a species from its preserved DNA, remains a scientific hurdle we have yet to overcome. Ancient DNA, often fragmented and degraded over millennia, poses significant challenges. Colossal's achievement lies in genetic mimicry, carefully replicating specific traits to create an animal that echoes the appearance and potentially some behaviors of its extinct counterpart. The creation of these pups involved a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technology and ancient genetic material. It's a process that bridges the distant past with the present, using science to resurrect traits from creatures long extinct. Colossal scientists began by extracting DNA fragments from a 13,000-year-old direwolf tooth, an incredibly rare and fragile specimen unearthed from a remote dig site. Alongside it, they recovered genetic material from a 72,000-year-old skull fragment, preserved in permafrost and offering a deeper glimpse into the direwolf's evolutionary history. Using CRISPR gene editing, a revolutionary tool that acts like molecular scissors, they carefully reconstructed segments of the direwolf genome piece by piece. They then introduced these ancient sequences into grey wolf blood cells, modifying 20 specific genetic sites. Each site was chosen for its role in shaping the direwolf's unique physiology and behavior. These edits targeted genes responsible for size, jaw strength, fur density, and even olfactory receptors, traits that once helped direwolves thrive in Ice Age environments. Once the modified DNA was complete, it was inserted into domestic dog egg cells, chosen for their compatibility and availability. These egg cells were then implanted into surrogate domestic dogs, who were closely monitored throughout the pregnancy in a carefully controlled outdoor environment. After months of anticipation, 3 healthy pups were born, each one a living testament to the power of genetic science and the resilience of ancient DNA. These pups now carry the legacy of the direwolf within their genes, offering scientists a rare opportunity to study ancient traits in a living form. Named for figures of strength and leadership, the pups, Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, are more than just adorable faces. They are living symbols of a bold scientific endeavor, one that seeks to bridge the ancient past with the possibilities of the future. Their names, drawn from myth and fantasy, reflect the ambition behind their creation: to revive traits of long-lost species and reintroduce them into modern ecosystems. At just a few months old, they already exhibit the hallmarks of their engineered lineage. Their long white hair and powerful muscular jaws echo the appearance of their extinct ancestors, creatures that once roamed the northern wilderness in great numbers. These pups are not ordinary wolves. They are the result of cutting-edge genetic science, designed to carry forward the legacy of species that vanished thousands of years ago. Weighing in at a hefty 80 pounds already, their rapid growth is a testament to the success of their genetic blueprint. They are expected to reach an impressive 140 pounds when fully grown, nearly double the size of a typical modern wolf. Their current home is a sprawling 2,000-acre facility, nestled in the northern United States, designed to mimic the natural habitats of their ancestors. Here they have the space to roam, play, and develop the instincts that will be crucial for their survival and adaptation. Under the constant care of Colossal's team of experts, biologists, geneticists, and animal behaviorists, the pups are being raised with meticulous attention. Every interaction, every behavior, every milestone is documented and analyzed. This isn't just about raising animals. It's about understanding how engineered species integrate into the world. Their development offers valuable insights into the success and potential challenges of genetic engineering. From health markers to social dynamics, Romulus, Remus, and Colossal are helping scientists refine the tools and ethics of de-extinction. They are not just the future of conservation, they are a glimpse into what that future might look like. So, Colossal's work, it actually goes way beyond just bringing back dire wolves. While that project has captured a lot of public attention, it's really just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what the company is trying to achieve. Their broader mission is to rewrite the future of conservation biology, using cutting-edge science to undo some of the damage humans have done to the natural world. The company is, well, really leading the charge in de-extinction, with several projects aiming to revive a wide range of species that vanished long ago. These aren't just symbolic efforts. They're grounded in real science, involving gene editing, cloning, and advanced reproductive technologies. It's like science fiction becoming science fact. Perhaps the most ambitious of these efforts is focused on, you guessed it, the woolly mammoth, that iconic giant from the Ice Age. Colossal believes that by reviving a cold-resistant hybrid of the mammoth and Asian elephant, they can help combat climate change by restoring grasslands in the Arctic, which in turn could slow permafrost melt and reduce carbon emissions. Colossal envisions reintroducing herds of these majestic animals into the Arctic tundra, with the hope of, restoring some of the ecological balance that was lost when they disappeared. It's a bold idea, one that combines environmental restoration with species revival in a way that's never been attempted at this scale before. And it's not just mammoths. The company is also turning its attention to other species that once played vital roles in their ecosystems but were wiped out due to human activity. Colossal is also working on bringing back the dodo, that flightless bird that humans unfortunately drove to extinction. The dodo's return could help restore the ecological balance of the island habitats it once called home, potentially reviving plant species that relied on it for seed dispersal. Through all of these bold projects, Colossal isn't just trying to correct past mistakes. They're reimagining what conservation can look like in the 21st century, one that's proactive, innovative, and deeply intertwined with technology. They're also, aiming to create entirely new conservation strategies that could shape the future of our planet. By blending biology, ecology, and technology, Colossal hopes to build a world where extinction doesn't have to be forever, and where ecosystems can be healed, one species at a time. The successful creation of dire wolf-like pups inevitably raises a profound question. Could we apply this technology to bring back extinct humans? The prospect, while captivating, remains firmly in the realm of science fiction. The complexity of the human genome, far exceeding that of any other species, presents an insurmountable challenge with our current technology. Furthermore, the intricacies of the human brain, consciousness, and our long developmental period add further layers of complexity. Ethical concerns surrounding human cloning, including issues of consent and the potential for exploitation, further complicate the matter. While the idea of resurrecting extinct humans may fuel our imaginations, it remains a distant and ethically fraught possibility. Colossal's work has ignited a fierce debate about the ethical implications of manipulating the building blocks of life. Critics argue that such endeavors could have unintended consequences for ecosystems, potentially disrupting existing species and introducing unforeseen ecological imbalances. There are also concerns about the welfare of the animals created through these processes. Are we justified in bringing back species into a world grappling with climate change and habitat loss? These questions highlight the need for careful consideration and rigorous ethical frameworks as we navigate the uncharted territory of genetic engineering and its impact on the future of life on Earth. The birth of Romulus, Remus, and Colossal marks a pivotal moment in the relationship between science and nature. We now possess the ability to rewrite the genetic code, blurring the lines between extinction and existence. While ethical concerns and scientific limitations remain, the potential benefits of this technology are undeniable. By understanding and manipulating genes, we may be able to develop new conservation strategies, enhance biodiversity, and even reverse some of the damage we have inflicted upon the planet. The future holds both promise and uncertainty. But one thing is certain. We are entering a new era of scientific exploration, one that will reshape our understanding of life itself. The story of the dire wolf-like pups is a testament to human ingenuity and our boundless capacity for wonder. As we continue to push the boundaries of scientific knowledge, we must proceed with caution, but also with a sense of responsibility for the future we are creating. Engage in the conversation. Share your thoughts on the ethics, the possibilities, and the future of de-extinction efforts. Subscribe to this channel for more inspiring and thought-provoking content about the intersection of science, technology, and the natural world.